Welcome, in front of me I have NOKIA C20 and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. You have to open Play Store, tap on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get the first application, click install. Right now we can open, enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK. Click OK another time, then just go back and click to switch input methods. Switch to English United States Green Apple keyboard, click finish. And right now when you go back and open, for example, messages, as you can see our keyboard has changed and it looks almost identical like on iPhone. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.